What's the meaning of blissfully? Blissfully. Blissfully.
Blissfully. Blissfully. The word blissfully is an adverb that describes a state of being extremely happy, content, and joyful. When someone is blissful, they experience a sense of deep satisfaction and pleasure, often characterized by a peaceful and serene feeling. The term can also describe an absence of worries or troubles, as well as a sense of freedom from pain or suffering. This emotional state can be achieved through a variety of means, including personal or spiritual fulfillment, the satisfaction of material desires, or simply being surrounded by people and experiences that bring joy and happiness. Overall, blissfully suggests a state of unbridled happiness and contentment.